Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Zendesk Mobile SDK for customer support, full guide step by step clearly. To activate the Zendesk Mobile SDK for customer support, begin by creating an account on the Zendesk platform. Once logged in, navigate to the Zendesk dashboard. From the dashboard, locate and select the admin icon. In the admin panel, find the channels section. Expand the channels menu to find the mobile option. Click on Mobile to access Mobile SDK settings. Here, you will see options for both iOS and Android SDKs. Choose the appropriate SDK based on your platform. For iOS, download the SDK package from the provided link. For Android, do the same by downloading the SDK package offered. Next, integrate the SDK into your application by following the installation guidelines included in the If you are working with Xcode for iOS, open your project and add the SDK files accordingly. For Android, import the necessary libraries into your project in Android Studio. After integrating the SDK, you need to initialize it within your application. In your code, locate the main application class. Add the initialization code provided in the SDK documentation. Make sure to include your Zendesk credentials and relevant configurations. Once your SDK is initialized, set up the user authentication process. This can be done by allowing users to log in via an existing account or creating a new one. Next, customize the appearance and functionality of the support interface. Refer to the customization options available in the SDK documentation to tailor the experience to your branding. After you finish the customizations, test the functionality of the SDK in your application. Ensure that all features work as intended, including ticket creation and support messaging. Once testing is complete and everything is functioning well, you are ready to deploy your application. Monitor user interactions and feedback to continually improve the support experience through the SDK. Keep an eye on updates from Zendesk to utilize new features and improvements in your customer support strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.